Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to screencast Vivo Y21 smartphone into the smart TV. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to swipe down the quick panel. Then you need to swipe left. Then you can find the option called screencast. You can open from here. Now your smart TV listed in the phone. You need to choose the smart TV from the list. I will choose the Redmi smart TV from here. Then click start now. Now the phone screen is displayed into the smart TV. So you can view your photos and videos. Otherwise you can play even games also. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.